Since we all stuck at home today, we might as well pick up some cooking skills really. So my whole purpose of the videos is to do something really simple, something that I normally do at home. As you all know, I'm quite busy, so I don't have a lot of time to, do cookings and stuff like that. So all my meals basically have to be simple. It's got to be delicious, it's got to be nutritious. So what we're going to be doing today is it's a plant-based meal. We're using a lot of meaty type of vegetables and dumplings as well. So for those got a bit of vegetable phobia people out there, this will be perfect. So what we're going to be doing today is pairing with the Japanese mushroom dumplings. It's got 6 different types of mushroom inside. Pastry is made with tomato, and it's paired with the organic aged miso. It's been aged for 20 months. We got some vegetables from the farmer's market last week before lockdown, some capsicums, eggplants and zucchinis, and some watercress just by the river 5 minutes from here. So everything is local, really straightforward and simple, and let's get cracking.